First, click the Start menu. Open Settings. From the left menu, click Bluetooth and Devices. Then click Cameras. Select your connected webcam. Under Basic Settings, adjust the brightness, contrast, or sharpness using the sliders. If you want to restore the original settings, click Reset Settings. Now close the settings window. Next, right-click the Start button. Select Device Manager. Expand the Cameras section. Right-click your webcam. Then click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait while Windows checks for the latest driver. If an update is found, install it. After the update is complete, restart your computer. That's it. This is how you can adjust your webcam settings in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.